Hi guys, it's September. I can't even believe it. And we are going to be doing our second to last block. So we're going to be doing a block I'm calling a frame block because I don't know what else it would be called. And what you need here is 4 2.5-inch squares. Then you also need a 4.5 by 2.5-inch rectangle. And then for your centerpiece, you're going to need a 4.5 by 4.5-inch square. Okay, so pretty simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to first take the top piece, top corner, and put it together with one of our 4.5 by 2.5-inch rectangles. And we're just going to complete an entire row. So we're going to sandwich that middle piece by getting another corner piece. And we're going to finish sewing that out. If you've been with me this whole time, you know that this is super simple. Okay, so now we're going to do the center. We have a 4.5 by 2.5-inch piece, and we're going to put that on our square in the center, which should be a 4.5-inch square. And we are going to sandwich that with the other side. Okay, so I've got these all pressed and ready to go. You can see how nice these look. So I'm going to take this big centerpiece and I'm going to match up these seams, and you can see I've got them nested, and I'm going to go ahead and sew these rows together. Okay, so of course I've got to press these, but look how cute that block is. Make sure and like this video and comment below if you've made something like this, because these have all sorts of awesome different dimensions. I'd love to hear what you've made, and I will see you next month. Hey guys, so I finished the entire video and I showed you what it looked like and realized that I had cut mine incorrectly. You still build it the exact same way, but I just wanted to show you so you could see what it actually is supposed to look like. I had made mine not 2.5 inches, which is the correct measurement, but I had made mine like 4.5 or 3.5 inches. So this is what it's supposed to look like when it is finished. So you've got my correction on that. But all the measurements are correct. It just will look like this. Sorry guys.